Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So without wasting any time, let's start. Here comes the first word and that is cash. In Korean, it is called 현금. 현금. Okay, next comes the Korean word for countryside and that is 시골. 시골. Now let's see how you are going to say tools in Korean. There are two ways to say tools in Korean. One is 도구, 도구, and the other way is 공구, 공구. Now, there is a slight difference between these two words, although both of them can be used for tools. But if you are talking about general tools, okay, then 도구 is appropriate. And if you are referring to more specialized technical tools, then 공구 is more suitable for that. Okay, so this is the difference. 도구 is the general term for tools and 공구 is used to denote some technical or specialized tools. Okay, alright. Next comes the Korean word for widow and that is 과부. 과부. Now let's see how you are going to say the door in Korean and that is 호라비. 호라비. Next comes the Korean word for customer and that is 고객. 고객. Now let's move ahead and see how you are going to say stone in Korean and it is very easy, just one syllable. 돌. 돌. Very easy. Next comes the Korean word for rock and that is 바위. 바위. Now, although all of us know the difference between rock and stone, but still I would like to mention the very basic difference between a rock and a stone is that a rock is typically a bigger natural mass while a stone is usually a smaller piece. Okay, so rock is big one and stone is a smaller one. Next comes the Korean word for toy and that is 장난감. 장난감. And the last one is the Korean word for doll and it is called 인형. 인형. Alright, so today we learned 10 Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.